Alright, I'm out here at the Hickory Valley Road #1 crossing in Chattanooga. Got an interesting upgrade here, which is why I'm recording this, even though I haven't filmed this crossing before. So some of y'all may have seen the old setup on the light. This is a 80s NS install. Pretty much still, when I first photographed it, it's pretty much still mostly original outside of that Safe Turn Type 3 up there. But since I've been here last, NS done a few upgrades. First one I was already aware of. Both signals had their 24-inch backgrounds replaced with 20-inch ones. But surprisingly, this one's had a this one's had a bit of strange upgrade since then as well, because as you can see, it's all 12x20s. As you can see, the front pair of lights here have GE uniform look LEDs in them now. These are still the old 80s light heads, as you can see. However, if I go to the back here, not sure how well you can see it, the rear pair of lights on this signal are still incandescent. I have no idea why they only upgrade the front. The gate lights on this signal are also replaced with a set of NEG LED gate lights. There used to be some Rico gate lights here, but now they're NEG LEDs. Then hopping over here, right over here's a little stress detector, it looks like. If I go over here, this one, it originally had the same upgrade as the other one before, with just the backgrounds being changed out with 20-inch ones, but this one has had all of the lights on it replaced. They now have GE uniform look LEDs on both sides, and they are newer Safe Turn 12x20-inch lights. In fact, if I go over here, you can see that this side you got GE uniform look LEDs on the front, and there's one of these little property stickers. But yeah, this signal now has, this one had incandescent NEG gate lights. All of the gate lights here are now these Rico ones, which I suspect are probably LED, but I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, I just thought I'd show this weird upgrade that's happened to this crossing in Chattanooga. Not sure why they mixed the incandescent LEDs this way, but definitely an odd one. Over and out.